four types of setups you can develop an expertise on, or the kind of setups which I try and trade. Those are four types of setups. One is a reversal, so reversal bullish kind of a setup, or a reversal bearish kind of a setup, where like in a stock which is going up reverses, or you can trade a continuation setup. And very easy visually to understand this setup, like essentially you can use dominoes to try and understand these setups. And this is an exercise which we did as a group some time back. And so reversal long is the setup where the stock is going down, and then there is a transition candle. Typically this transition candle will be some sort of a doji or a hammer kind of a candle you get, right? And you get this hammer, and then the stock reverses, and then it starts going up, right? So you can scan for these kind of a setup where you're looking for a stock which had a drop, so it is going down, and then it has a reversal, and then they tend to work very well. And this particular setup tends to work very well on index components. So stocks which are part of like Nasdaq 100 or S&P 500 components stock, it will tend to work very well. Okay. Similarly, you can get a reversal shot where the stock is going up, going up, going up, and then you get some sort of a reversal exhaustion kind of a signal where the stock has a inverted doji kind of a thing. And again, you can scan for these kind of days, and then if you short, typically those stocks are likely to go in the opposite direction. Okay, so that's a reversal short kind of a setup. And then there is a continuation setup. In a continuation setup, what you have is you have a stock which is basically going up, 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 and then it has a very narrow consolidation, right? The narrow consolidation, or bull flag, people call it bull flag, or like just a, sometimes it is a minor pullback, and then again the stock starts breaking out, and you can like buy it on this breakout. Or if you are really wanting a low risk entry, then you can buy it in this consolidation or this low volatility period, also called as volatility compression pattern, okay, VCP. So you want to see a volatility compression here. Similarly, on the short side, so this is a continuation because you are waiting for a momentum to be established and then making an entry in the direction of the momentum. So stock needs to have a momentum. Similarly, this is a continuation on the short side. So you have a stock which is going down already, and then it has a consolidation, minor consolidation, and then it continues down. So you short it on this day, or you short it here in anticipation that it will break down. And so these four kind of setups is what really I focus on. And two of them are continuation. So you're trading in the direction of the momentum, and here you're trading in the direction of the momentum to the downside. So established to the downside momentum, consolidation here, and from the consolidation there is a breakdown and the stock continues to go down kind of a thing. Here this is more a reversal kind of a setup where like the stock has a continuously going up, and then it prints a reversal kind of a bar, which like tells you that there is a likelihood that buying has exhausted. So these are also called as an exhaustion setups where the buying has exhausted, and when the buying exhaust, and if you get a selling, then if you sell, typically the stock will have a follow through, especially if the stock has made a big parabolic move, then it works very well. Similarly, if a stock has been going down, 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 and then it reverses and then makes a thing. So all four kind of situations you can scan for, and if you look at these kind of situations, because continuously stocks have when stocks are downtrend, at some stage the seller in exhaust and there is a reversal. Similarly, when stocks are in uptrend and they are going up and up, and at some stage buying exhaust and there is a reversal, these kind of points give you a lower risk entry and that's the objective of swing trading kind of methodology. Similarly, when you look at a continuation setup, a stock is going up, 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 and then it has a minor pullback or it has a minor consolidation where the volatility decreases significantly, and then whenever volatility decreases, it tends to lead to a breakout. So four types of setups which you can look at, especially those of you who are beginners. These setups are uh, comparatively easier setup to master, and if you look at developing a daily methodology to find these kind of setups, you will always have setups which are showing up, which can be reversal long or a reversal short, depending on the market conditions, or you have continuation breakout longs, or you have breakouts to breakdowns to the short side, which are continuation breakdowns.